Hello, this is flat renovation update, day 39. Let's take a look around and see what has been done. So in the bathroom over here, we've discovered that this tap over here is broken at the bottom, so we're busy working on that, and then that will allow us to finish the shower. And also, we've got a bathroom door handle and lock installed. Finally, this area has been painted, the first coat of paint, as well as this wall over here. Let's see if we've done anything else over here. I think they've applied some paint here and I think they're working on that. And then we've got on this side, we've got the top windows over there installed, and I think that's it for day 39.